The bumper would start to sag if I were to put it back on the car and start driving. My stupid self, psych, got your ass again. Look at these instructions. It doesn't even... Can you guys understand what the fuck this is even saying? Okay, so right here we have the Icon Motorsports CS style front lip for a 2016 BRZ, and then these are the spats from Basin R. Right now I have the T2 style side skirts from Basin R, and I thought why not get some spats. So yeah, those two are gonna be the two things that we are putting on today. Unfortunately, the front lip is different colored plastic than, well, I guess technically it's not plastic because then plastic would crack if I hit something. It's matte. Eventually in the future, I would hope to get it paint matched to my car. This is just a test run for the front lip. If my car can clear a whole bunch of stuff, then we'll go ahead and run that. Yeah, let's go ahead and take off the bumper. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to drill and put on different bolts for holding on to the splitter. Okay, so now that we have the bumper off of the car, I went ahead and threw out the splitter with the bumper on top of it just to kind of give you guys an idea of what it will look like. I do need to do the drilling still, but you guys need to check this out. It looks pretty sick. Damn. Yeah, again, this is the CS style front lip from Icon Motorsports. It is polyurethane, so it shouldn't break, hopefully, I pray. It does have a little bit of a lip, like, I don't know if you guys can kind of see this, but I'm kind of scared that this is going to break off immediately. We'll kind of just have to see, but this is what I'm worried about, is this part right here. Give me a second. I'm going to go ahead and start drilling the holes. Let me show you how I'm doing this first. The way that I'm going to go ahead and attach the splitter to the actual bumper is by bolt. Most people will use screws just to hold on the splitter. Unfortunately, that tends to just break and fall off. So a little better way to do that is to go to Lowe's or Home Depot's, Ace Hardware, somewhere with bolts, and go ahead and get something that looks a little bit like this. So right here, we have a bolt. Don't ask me about the size, I can't remember. You're just gonna need something like this, just a bolt long enough so it can go through both the splitter and the bumper. You're gonna need a nut to hold it on. I have a, I forget what you call this, but to hold it on there a little bit better. I don't know if you really need it. And then I have two big washers. Those two big washers will go ahead and hold the splitter and the bumper together without falling back through the hole. Try to find the biggest washers possible, just so that way there shouldn't be any possibility of the splitter falling off if I were to hit something. So hopefully it'll stay on there. Just a big chunk of it will be missing, or maybe my whole bumper will be gone. I'm not too sure. We're gonna go ahead and start drilling into the bumper and the splitter. The way that I'm doing this, I just bought a drill with some drill bits, and the way that I'm going to hold the splitter on, because I don't have a second or third person to help me out, I used this is so stupid. I used paper clips just to hold on the splitter, just so that I know where I drill is gonna be the accurate spot. Paper clip there, paper clip there. I have a paper clip here. So that's holding it on. I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling now, and I'll give you an update once it is all on the bumper. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes or so, and we're almost done. The problem that I'm having right now is that the bolts that I got kind of has like this little gap here, and my stupid self thought that the space between the actual splitter and the bumper was going to be thicker for some reason, but that poses a problem. So check this out. As you can see, it sits flat up against each other, but there is wiggle room. So I need to figure out, but the bumper would start to sag if I were to put it back on the car and start driving. I'm also finding out that I need a couple more bolts to actually finish and keep it on there sturdy wise. So I'm gonna go ahead and run to Lowe's real quick, come back, and then finish up the bumper.
A few moments later.
I forgot that I was gonna install these. We're gonna go ahead and put these on, so enjoy these cinematics of putting them on the car. Let's go.
3.
Psych, we not done. It was looking kind of interesting with just the spats. It has been growing on me, but to make it all look complete, I went and bought a diffuser for the BRZ. So we're gonna be installing this as the last part of the video. I might hit you guys with another psych again, but we're gonna install this real quick and see what this looks like on here. What's up, you guys? It's the end of the video. Sorry for not filming a proper outro. We were so excited to see the car and we ended up filming a few shorts afterwards, so it kind of just left the top of our head. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super excited to have these on the car and see them on the car. It makes the car look so much more complete. I think this is one of the best aesthetic mods that I put on my car. I haven't been able to do it very recently because I've been working on my engine, turbo, whatever, but very excited to be able to finally do this to my car, and I would recommend it. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, subscribe. We have, again, Andrew's update video that just dropped last week. Go check that out. If you want to see more content on his car, my car, Matt's car, any car, subscribe. See you next time.